So how do bones become something farms trust? Collected from the food supply chain, kept cold to control decay. Nothing comes in without a first look. Loads are logged and sampled and traced because contamination ruins fertilizer. From here, everything is about separation, sterilization, and control. Size and purity first before water ever touches it. Blood residue fat blasted off before the heat stage. You cannot cook what you have not drained. Now it is small enough for sterilization to hit every surface. Even one shard of metal can destroy a mill downstream. Stop heat pressure and sterilization. Sterilization is not a setting, it is hardware built to survive it. High-temperature steam kills bacteria and loosens the last fat. Everything is controlled because pressure does not forgive mistakes. After cooking, the material changes drier brittle, ready to separate. Spin pulls the fats away, and one more byproduct reclaimed. Fat can end up in soap, fuel, and industrial products. Drying locks in shelf stability moisture is the enemy of storage. Factories do not guess every stage is checked constantly. Now the real reduction, turning chips into meal. Bone meal is born as a controlled dust. Air carries it, centrifugal force captures it. Particle size decides how nutrients release in soil. Before blending, the base material gets tested. Texture, dryness, flow basic checks that prevent bad batches.
Now the recipe built for farm soils and crops.
Calcium and phosphorus lead the story, then targeted nutrients tune it. Some blends add nitrogen to match what the crop pulls from the soil. Binder turns loose meal into something a spreader can throw evenly. Pressure shapes it like forcing stone through a keyhole. Fresh pellets are still warm and still fragile. Cooling hardens the pellet so it survives shipping and spreading. Lines get recycled because consistency matters. A closed loop. Nothing drifts far from the process. Light conditioning keeps bags from turning into bricks. One last check, because grinders and conveyors do not always forgive. Quality control follows the product to the very end. From here, it is all about keeping moisture out. A weak seam becomes a leak. So sealing is its own craft. If it cannot survive the factory floor, it will not survive the road. Consistency is not just the pellet, it is the pallet. Wrapped tight to keep product dry and stable. This is industrial recycling on wheels. Thousands of bags, each one a different field, somewhere else. Now it leaves the factory and becomes part of food production. Stable load dry product, no surprises. Own becomes fertilizer when process turns risk into reliability. From factory to distributor, then to farms and gardens. In the end, it has one job: feed soil without feeding waste. Even distribution, so roots do not compete for scraps. Calcium for structure and phosphorus for roots, released where it counts. Not just bones nutrients recovered and refined and put back to work.
This video is created through a human-AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high-quality scenes generated using VO3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.